I have a weird head. Refreshing way to start the day. So that's where we're going.
Welcome to Kalisuci.
Take some photos back in the entrance. Oh, I love it in here.
And then animal. I like mushroom. This is the festival open on 2009.
The echo. It's like the chillest day on the river. Literally just two of us.
Okay guys, pass long rapid.
Yeah. Rapids. Going backwards. This is why you have padding on. Oh God, big spider. There's a big spider.
What are you doing?
The big spider. You jump on. That was great.
Noodles. I love the cave. I mean, it was interesting that we were the only 2 people because we came really early, but it would have been great with 40 people. It was awesome, just us. You get to chill, you go down some stuff. Beautiful views. The sinkholes are ridiculous. I think it'd be interesting to go at a wetter time of year so that it would be a little bit more rapidy, but it was still really lovely. What you doing?
Cutting a mango that literally just fell out of the tree on top of the motorbikes.
Did you go get it or did they get it for you?
The guys brought it over for me because I was making a big deal over how great the mangoes looked. It was our second mango of the day.
Second freshly fallen mango. Don't put a knife at me. It's literally a minute later and you look like you murdered someone.
I hold the beating heart in my hand.
Say that with the knife up.
I hold the beating heart in my hand.
Why are you British?
I don't know, because I'm Poe.